Good evening and welcome to 22 News at 10. I'm Ciara Speller. The snowstorm has ended and the roads for the most part are cleaned up. For some, it meant jumping right back into Christmas shopping. 22 News reporter Sydney Snow joins us live from West Springfield tonight. And Sydney, you caught up with some shoppers.
Yes, our stores weren't too busy today, but the shoppers that I did speak with said the snow wasn't going to ruin their plans. This is New England after all.
We can't stand being in the house, and we had some last-minute gifts to get.
The Riverdale shops in West Springfield were pretty quiet today compared to recent days. And despite the foot of snow dumped on western Massachusetts, people are itching to get out of the house. And clear roads meant it was time to do some last-minute Christmas shopping. And lucky for procrastinators, the snow kept crowds at a minimum.
You just wanted to get out of the house, do some shopping. We figured there wouldn't be a lot of people here, and there's not. We got in and out, so everything was great.
And while the snow ruined some people's plans, others braved the elements to take advantage of their snow day.
After it stops, we like to get out, clean our cars off, and get out. Especially when you have a day off from work.
Many malls and retailers have expanded their store hours to accommodate the holiday rush. You can find out more about that on our website, wwlp.com. We're going to be live in West Springfield. Sydney Snow, 22.